Welcome to my series where I am decluttering every single thing I own, aiming to get rid of 25% of everything because I bought a house and everything I declutter is one less thing I have to move. In this episode, we are doing short sleeve shirts and tank tops. I have literally so many shirts, always end up reaching for just the exact same ones every time. Here we go. Donate, keep, donate, keep, keep, donate, 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 maybe, keep. I'm not sure about this one yet. Donate, keep, donate, 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 keep, keep, donate, keep, keep, donate, keep, keep, donate, donate, keep, 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 donate, maybe, donate, keep, donate, keep, donate, donate, keep, maybe, keep, donate, 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 donate. I'm on a roll. Donate, keep, donate, 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 keep, donate, 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 donate. I'm going to keep this, donate, keep, donate. Okay, let's count them up. Guys, I got rid of 34 items and I only kept 41. Oh my gosh, that's almost half.